Arch Linux versus Nobara for gaming. Choosing the right Linux distro can transform your gaming experience without compatibility headaches. Arch offers pure customization, while Nobara focuses on gaming-ready features out of the box. Arch Linux and Nobara are popular Linux distros for gamers. Arch provides a minimal base with full control and customization, while Nobara builds on Fedora with pre-configured gaming optimizations. The core difference is Arch's DIY approach versus Nobara's ready-to-play focus. Arch Linux is a lightweight rolling release distribution known for its simplicity and user control. It provides a minimal base system, allowing users to install only what they need, including gaming tools and drivers. Installation requires manual setup, giving gamers full control over kernel versions, graphics drivers, and system tweaks. This flexibility makes Arch ideal for advanced users who want to optimize performance and customize every aspect of their gaming environment. Its rolling updates ensure access to the latest software and drivers, which is crucial for compatibility with new games and hardware. However, Arch's steep learning curve and manual configuration can be a barrier for newcomers or those seeking a hassle-free setup. Users must be comfortable with command line operations and troubleshooting. Arch's strength lies in its transparency, extensive documentation, and community support, making it a powerful choice for gamers who want to build a tailored system from the ground up. Nobara is a Fedora-based Linux distribution designed specifically for gaming and multimedia use. It comes pre-configured with gaming-friendly drivers, codecs, and performance tweaks, reducing setup time significantly. Nobara includes proprietary NVIDIA drivers Steam, Lutris, and Wine out of the box, enabling seamless access to a wide range of games, including Windows titles. Its focus on usability means gamers can start playing quickly without manual driver installations or complex configurations. Nobara benefits from Fedora's stability and security while adding enhancements tailored to gaming workloads. This distro suits users who want a modern Linux experience with minimal setup and strong hardware support, especially for NVIDIA GPUs. While it may not offer the deep customization of Arch, Nobara strikes a balance between ready-to-play convenience and performance. Its regular updates keep the system current, and the community provides support for gaming-related issues. Nobara is ideal for gamers looking for a hassle-free Linux setup that just works. Arch Linux and Nobara serve different types of gamers. Arch excels for those who want full control over their system and are comfortable with manual setup, making it perfect for enthusiasts who prioritize customization and bleeding-edge software. Its rolling release model ensures the latest drivers and kernel updates, which can boost gaming performance, but requires maintenance and troubleshooting skills. Nobara, on the other hand, is designed for gamers who prefer an out-of-the-box experience with pre-installed drivers and gaming tools. It simplifies getting started with gaming on Linux, especially for NVIDIA users, by eliminating the need for complex setup. However, Nobara may not offer the same level of system control as Arch. In real-world use, Arch is suited for users who want to tailor every detail for maximum performance, while Nobara is better for those who want a stable, ready-made gaming environment with less hassle. Choose Arch Linux if you value complete customization and are comfortable managing your system to optimize gaming performance with the latest software and drivers. Nobara is the better choice for gamers seeking a hassle-free setup with excellent hardware support and pre-configured gaming tools. It combines Fedora stability with gaming optimizations, making it ideal for those who want to jump straight into gaming without extra